Thank you for requesting a demo of our online learning solutions LMS. I'm going to give you a demonstration by signing in with my account. So I'm actually clicking on sign in. And once you sign in and you have activated your key, you will see all the different courses that you have assigned, or you can actually click on learn and see all the 100 and plus different courses that are available inside the LMS. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to actually open this Microsoft 70-247 configuration and management course. So I'm actually clicking on it, and at this point we would see all the different topics that are associated with this particular course. Also, there are other areas that you will see available, such as gamification, testing, questions, and also it is actually certification driven. So I'm going to click on the first area, which is design, and you will see as I will start this how the course starts playing, and then it goes step by step into the introduction, design in the cloud, and so on. So I'm going to just play this for just a minute.
Hi, and welcome to the video course Configuring and Deploying the Private Cloud. My name is Patrick Lohner, and I'll be your instructor on this course. We'll start with a little bit about my background. I've been in the IT industry for 15 years, working as a Microsoft certified trainer for the vast majority of that time. I worked in a couple of different locations. One was a training center. While I was doing training, I was always also doing network administration, dealing with all the PCs and troubleshooting, as well as firewall configuration, Exchange servers, Active Directory upgrades, and the like. The second place that I worked, though, was more of a consulting firm. Still did a little bit of training, but got a chance to go out in many cases and do a lot of upgrades. I started working really with SMS and other programs at that time.
I'm going to pause this one, and I'm going to actually jump into a different area, such as Windows Server 2012 R2 and Hyper-V.
Another new feature that we have in Windows Server 2012 and 2012 R2 that helps us in the private cloud environment is something known as storage spaces. This again is not particular to a private cloud, and it might be something that many of you are already aware of. But just in case you're not, I want to make sure that we're all on the same page. Storage spaces essentially allows us to combine individual disk drives into storage pools, and then that is used to provide increased availability and provisioning. Essentially, we have a group of disks that are contained within a storage pool, and then those disks can be sliced up and provisioned on an as-needed basis. It helps to reduce storage costs because basically it is giving us storage area network-like capabilities with locally attached storage. Okay, so we have direct attached storage on a physical system.
So as you can see, you go step by step and mark down the areas as they are actually completed. You can also modify your profile, log in, do searches, collaborate, share information, upload and collaborate with other people. Also, you have pertinent areas that you can actually look for information and connect with other people that are part of the LMS also. All one solution. I'm going to actually go ahead and actually look for different technologies, and I'm going to actually select something like VMware, and I'm going to go ahead and start I'm going to go ahead and start that particular course. As you can see, this particular course has flashcards, it has games, you'll see your course outline, you'll see the layout of all the different topics and modules, and as you are completing the different modules, you will actually have the capability of actually taking test questions as you go. I'm going to go ahead and start at a different level here, maybe like configuring virtual machines, so that I don't start right on the beginning of the course. And I'm going to play it.
So in this section, I want to talk to you about configuring virtual machines. And this is what it's all about, right? The ability to create whatever machine type I need to on a single box. So instead of having one OS on a server, I might have 10 or 20 OSs on a server of different flavors and types, and that's all made possible through virtualization. Okay? So with that being said, let's take a look at what virtual machines really are. VMs are software-defined machines that rely on generic hardware drivers. So basically VMs, whenever they're created, we're going to choose the properties of the machine, and then it's going to...
So as you can see, all the courses are very well detailed, and as I'm done and with all these different modules, then I will be able to actually take the test for that particular area. As you can see, we have tons of different topics on the library, from Greenbelt, from all the Microsoft certifications to Oracle, Access, Office 365, PMN, PMP, CompTIA certifications, cloud certifications, CISSP, all the CCNA, Cisco related classes, ITIL, and so on, as well as social media. Please call us if you're interested. We'll actually give you a deeper demo into this. Thank you, and we look forward to having you as a client.